It's Sybil Wilkes with what you need to know. Today is Monday, June 24th, 2024. Number 1. With just a little more than 4 months until the 2024 presidential election, both majority party candidates are on the hunt for black votes. The polls are not giving either side, current President Biden or former President Trump, the boost they need, especially in the battleground states with significant African American populations. Although black voters were instrumental in electing Joe Biden president in 2020, a USA Today poll indicates that support has slumped significantly. Number 2. Supreme Court justices upheld a federal law that bars domestic abusers from owning guns. In U.S. v. Rahimi, the court sided with the government. It upheld Zachary Rahimi's conviction for possessing guns while being subject to a domestic violence restraining order. In effect, the nation's highest court ruled that there are limits to the Second Amendment. It was an 8-1 decision, with Justice Clarence Thomas as the lone dissenter. Number 3. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is an emergency life-saving procedure performed when the heart stops beating. Immediate CPR can double or triple chances of survival after cardiac arrest. Keeping the blood flow active, even partially, extends the opportunity for successful resuscitation once trained medical staff arrive on site. CPR is a critical step in the American Heart Association's chain of survival. The term chain of survival provides a youthful metaphor for the elements of the ECC systems concept. Number 4. Kellen Lewis, a 37-year-old black man, was fatally shot by a SWAT officer in Aurora, Colorado, during an attempted arrest on May 23rd. His family is demanding a murder trial for the officer and the release of body camera footage, arguing that Lewis was surrendering when shot and was only holding a cell phone. This incident follows a similar case in 2019 involving Elijah McClain, whose death at the hands of the Aurora police led to convictions, highlighting ongoing concerns about systemic issues and the devaluation of black lives. Number 5. What is a promise? A promise is assurance that a particular thing will happen. God's promises in the Bible are just that. If he said he's going to do something, it's going to happen. He never lies, and his words never change or return void. There are a lot of promises in the Bible. Depending on the research, you may find that there are more than 3,000. Some say that more than 7,000, and some say more than 8,000 promises are in the Bible. It's Ministry Monday. Read more about God's promises in today's newsletter. Here's your daily inspiration from Yogi's Jewels. Choosing to forgive does not mean condoning the wrong done to you. It means freeing yourself from the hold it has on your emotions and well-being. Thank you to our What You Need to Know partners, the American Heart Association and Black Health Matters. Please join us tonight live on YouTube and Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central as Yolanda Starks-White and I talk about today's news and headlines. I'm Sybil Wilkes. Be informed, be empowered.